Hello, today we're going to learn about highest common factor, also known as HCF. And when you're calculating highest common factor, the two things you need to remember are to find the highest number. That is the common factor. And remember, as a recap, a factor is a number that divides completely into another number. So for instance, 3 is a factor of 12, right? But is 3 the highest factor of 12? No, that's not true. So what we'll learn is how to calculate the highest common factor. And common implies you're dealing with two or more numbers. Like, for instance, 12 and 18 in our example over there. So now, first two things that you need to know are the steps. The first step is step number 1, which is express as product of primes. What we're expressing as product of primes are the numbers that we are trying to find the common factor to. So for instance, 12, we express it as a product of its prime factors. If you don't know how to express as a product of its prime factors, this is another video completely. So you have to look for that video. But anyway, once you express 12 as a product of its prime factors, meaning it's just a product implies times table. So it implies multiplying. Now, if it implies multiplying, that means you're going to look for the prime numbers that multiply themselves to make 12. That's 2 and then 3. So 2 times 2 times 3 is 12 expressed as a product of its prime factors. 18 is expressed as 2 times 3 times 3, right? And then that's step number 1 already. And then now step number 2, we bring down the common factors. So we bring down for each common factor, we bring 1 down. So for instance, we look at our 2's. There's a 2 in there, there's a 2 in there. That means I bring down a 2. There's a 2 in there, there's no other 2 in there, there's a 3 in there, and there's 1 3 in there. I bring down 3. And then because I have 3, 3, and there's an extra 3 there, there's no other 3 up there. That means we have brought down all the common factors that are there. Now we can simplify this by now finding the HCF, which is 2 times 3, which will give us 6. And then if you want to check it, is there any other number besides 6 that divides into 12 and 18? That's 2, there's 3. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So 6 is the common factor. 6 is in fact the highest common factor. That's how I calculate highest common factor.